Arizona, if your AC barely made it through the summer.
Or it sounds like this. You could win a brand new AC unit, and I'm not even kidding. For a limited time, A Quality HVAC and Plumbing is going to give away a free AC unit to one of its customers. And even if you don't win, they have stackable promotions right now that will save you thousands of dollars. A Quality also has over 2,000 five-star reviews and offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Do not wait until summer because peak season means peak prices. So hit the link below and check out the details and get your free estimate before your AC unit quits.